MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional HVAC tune-up in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, helping keep your heating and cooling systems running efficiently and reliably. Regular tune-ups are essential for preventing breakdowns, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your equipment. Our experienced technicians perform detailed inspections, clean system components, check for wear and tear, and ensure everything is operating at peak performance. Routine maintenance also helps maintain consistent indoor comfort and lower utility costs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert HVAC tune-up in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, and keep your system prepared for every season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for the HVAC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. How often should I schedule an HVAC tune-up in Pottstown, Pennsylvania? Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling an HVAC tune-up in Pottstown, Pennsylvania at least twice a year, once before the cooling season and once before the heating season. Regular tune-ups ensure your system is prepared to handle increased demand during extreme weather. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers seasonal tune-up services designed to maintain system performance and reliability. Why is an HVAC tune-up important? An HVAC tune-up is important because it helps maintain system efficiency, reliability, and safety. Without regular maintenance, dust and debris can accumulate inside the system, reducing airflow and causing components to work harder. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides HVAC tune-up services in Pottstown, Pennsylvania to prevent these issues. What is your HVAC tune-up in Pottstown, Pennsylvania? Our local HVAC tune-up has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/